Ting 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 ta. So hi guys, welcome back again in my channel, in my YouTube channel and Instagram. So as you guys already know, I'm Sia and I am from Pune, Bihar, and I started a series. But if you guys don't know about me, who I am and why I started a series, then go through my Instagram and go through my YouTube channel and watch my video. So because of a holy festival I didn't make any videos and I didn't upload on my Instagram and YouTube channel, so I resumed it again. And I'm going to start it again. And most of the guys actually maybe they think that I stopped this series and I give up, but not, it's not actually true. So I'm going to make it again. And yeah, so so I started again, and I'm going to introduce my today's topic, which is actually about school. We all have enjoyed this life, right? So school life is generally, for me, it is a place where it is a place where we enjoy our most and where we spend our most enjoyable time. It is also a place where we learn, where we not only learn basic knowledge, but we also learn uh, discipline and moral values. I remember when I was a child, I was I would wonder about my, well, actually, who made this school at that time. I used to think that why should every student go to school every day? Why should go this behave like this, be polite, and so many things i I would wonder at that time. But when it becomes habitual for me, and that time I was really excited after becoming it's habitual for me. And uh, I was very excited that time because I had my friends, and I had to play with them, start start gossips, and sharing my lunch, and participate in programs and activities and so many things. That time I actually can't share my feelings on that time. And we actually now, on that time, we all guys actually felt that thing, what I felt on that time. I hate that time schools and lots of things, but I mean, became it habitual. I love this time, and I actually miss that time. And I'm wondering that why should uh, sh- could can I bring that time again? And I always think about that. But you know, some uh, it was actually a time where we spend lots of things, where we do lots of things, where we did lots of things. And actually, it's a golden period for those students who belong to between age of group between 2 to 19 years old, because they have lots of fun on this time, on this period. Actually, it is a, because it's a, our first time when we build our first friendship and when we build our first relationships with teachers, with friends, and we enjoy our life, because it's initial phase of our life in academic in academic years, yeah. And for me it's a golden period, and I really miss that period. So yeah, I know, and I know I did lots of mistake, because when I write it, I'm okay with that. But when it comes to speak, most of the time make mistake, because it's come from naturally. It didn't look like, say, I read I write a script, right? So yeah, when it comes to speaking, I know I will make mistakes, but you know, practice makes a person perfect. So I believe on that. So yeah, this is all about my today's topic. If you guys literally want to improve me, then let me give a feedback, and comment down on below. So stay tuned for the next topic. Bye bye.